When a potential customer finds you on the Reels Explore page or your TikTok For You page, how easy is it for them to go to the checkout page? This is a really important step that some people overlook when looking to get sales through social media. We are getting into your customer journey on your social media page, going from how they found you to checking out and getting your sales notification. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I highly suggest subscribing. When you think about what a potential customer goes through from start to finish, from finding your page, from buying what you have to sell, from buying what you have to offer, do you think that they're jumping through a whole bunch of hoops just to get to the checkout page? If so, this might be impacting your sales in a negative way. There are some important things to keep in mind to make getting sales easier and faster and just have a higher probability. Number one is you do want your customer to have all of the information that they need to feel secure, to feel safe, and to feel confident about buying what you're selling, about your offer, solving the problem that they have, but you don't need to bombard them with all of this information right out of the gate. This is just something to keep in mind when you are creating content. A lot of people like to overshare information in the places that they know that they'll get a lot of reach, such as Reels or such as TikToks, but you don't have to have your whole entire offer page and all of that information in your Reel or TikTok. You just need something that's good enough to get them back to your page and to get them clicking on your links. This will make it much easier for you to come up with content ideas for those places that do have the most high-performing content on whichever app that you're using. And also just remember to let your page speak for itself. If you are promoting a new offer or if you are promoting your bestseller, create content that creates intrigue for someone to be attracted to everything else that you have to offer just by that one video. They'll go to your page, they'll be even more intrigued, they'll be even more attracted to you and your business. They'll binge a little bit, they'll get more information wherever you have it, which is the point of this video, and then they'll feel confident about going and checking out and making a sale. So just don't feel like you have to lay out all of your information and be an open book on social media if your customer journey is set up correctly. Number two is all of your links should be easily accessible. And also make sure that your website or whatever link that you're putting in your bio is easy to navigate. If someone has to go through 5-6 different links to finally get to your offer page, to finally get to check out, they're probably just gonna stop, probably just gonna opt out and just go ahead and keep scrolling. It's a little bit difficult now that everyone is using Linktree type of links in their bios, something that has multiple different links for multiple different offers, but make sure that your top priorities and your top offers are at the top of this link tree, and make sure that your link tree is easy to understand and easy to navigate so that you are making your sales as fast as possible. Also, just keep in mind that you want to eliminate as much decision fatigue as possible for your potential customer. If you do have about 10 links in your link tree, your customer is probably going to get confused and forget why they even went there. There's so many things that you have to offer. They're not sure what they need. They'll probably save your post for later and then never come back to it. So even just simply getting their email address and getting them to sign up on an opt-in form is a win and should be as easy as possible if they do go to the link in your bio. And number three is to utilize your story highlights on your Instagram page. This is a great place where you can kind of pin information and keep it more organized so that you can be telling your potential customer, someone new that comes to your page, all of the information that they need before they go and hit checkout. And it's a great way to not overwhelm them with all of this information in one post. And you can also add direct links to your offer page on these story posts in these story highlights to make that customer journey even shorter and easier. So make sure that you are saving your stories where you are promoting your offers, all the valuable information, the frequently asked questions, the client testimonials into your story highlights, because that's what they're there for. And if you think that nobody checks these out, they definitely do. People will do a lot of digging before they go ahead and make the commitment to actually purchase something. They want to get all of the social proof that they can, but they also want it to be very easy when they do so. So utilize your story highlights, but also make sure it's not too crowded in there, because if someone sees a whole bunch of stories in one highlight, they will definitely be overwhelmed. overwhelmed. So the takeaway from this video is to make sure that your customer journey from when someone finds you on the For You page or your Reels is very simple, informational, not overwhelming, and as quick as possible, so that you are making sales and your conversion rate is as high as it can be when you do start to see those views on your Reels and you do start getting a lot of traffic to your page. Being prepared to go viral is very important. Even though everyone wants their video to skyrocket, if you're not prepared for that to happen, to secure the sales, then this is just a reminder to make sure that you are. So hopefully now you have a better idea of what your customer journey should look like, or some ideas on how to improve it to increase your conversion rate. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like down below. It really does help me out. If you'd like to see more content like this and more content from me, I highly suggest subscribing. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!